Hello everyone. In this tutorial we are going to learn about variables. So what are variables? Variables are data that will keep on changing. And this is how we will declare a variable. We have already seen in our previous tutorial how to declare one variable and all, but still as of now, data type and variable name. This is how we will declare a variable. For example, int a. A is a variable of integer data type and variable name. And the value of a will keep on changing in the entire program. And this is how we define a variable. Definition in the sense giving the value to a variable. Declaration is in the sense we are just declaring that variable, and definition in the sense we are giving some value to that particular variable. And if we don't define a variable, then it will be having some garbage data, like the data is some unknown value it will be holding. So this is how you define a variable, that is variable name is equal to value. For example, now we have our integer variable as a, and a is equal to 10 we have. And how we can use a variable in a program, that is if we want to do one increment operation, then we can use a variable like this, that is a is equal to a plus 1. This will be the increment operation. And now let's see the naming rules for variables. So the first rule is the name of a variable should not be a keyword like int, float. These kind of keywords we should not use as a variable name. And these variable name should start with a letter or an underscore. It should not start with a number or so. So it can start with a letter or an underscore, and it can contain letters, numbers, or underscore. Like it should not start with numbers, but it can contain numbers. No other special characters are allowed, including spaces, exclamation marks. These are not allowed when you declare a variable. You should give the variable in. You should name the variable in such a way that if someone else reads your code, that person should be able to understand by looking at the variable name what is going to happen in the next steps, like how we are going to use that variable. That person should be able to understand by looking at the variable name. And then variable names are case sensitive, in the sense capital A and small a are different. That is int capital A is different from int small a. So this is about variables. We'll see some examples for these variables now. So maybe I'll remove all these things. I'll create a variable int a and see out a. We have not assigned anything to a. Let's see what we'll get the output. It should give some garbage values. So if I compile it, it got compiled, and now if I run it, then we got some garbage value because the value of a is not defined. Now we'll define the value of a as 1. So if I compile it again, it's compiling. And if I run it now, then I got the value of a as 1 because it's defined now. And now I'll put another variable int capital A, and I'm going to print. I won't be assigning any values to both, and I'm just going to print those values. Let's see what we'll get the output as. I'll compile it now. It's compiled, and now I'm going to run it. So if I run it, there is no new line character, so it got printed side by side. As you can make out the difference, the first value is still here and the second value is still here. These are two different values, which indicates that the variable names are case sensitive, that is small a and capital A are different. So hope you understood the variables in C++ or in any programming language, the rules to name those variables and declaration and definition, the difference between the two. So if you have any doubt, please do ask me. I'll clarify your doubt. So thank you for listening. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.